This is not a true story. But it could be. One day, humans will walk on Mars. And when they do, something could go wrong. This is the story of one astronaut who was left behind. Meet Commander Alex Reyes. Part of the first 6-person crew to land on Mars. Sol 1. The historic first step. Cameras rolling. The whole world watching from Earth, 140 million miles away. For the first few days, everything goes perfectly. The crew builds their habitat. They collect soil samples. They test the air, the water, the ground beneath their boots. Mars, for the first time in history, has visitors. But on Sol 12, Mission Control back on Earth sends an urgent message. A massive dust storm, one of the biggest ever recorded on Mars, is forming, and it's heading straight for the crew's location. The order comes fast. Evacuate immediately. Return to the ship. Launch before the storm hits. 5 of the 6 astronauts make it back in time. But Alex is still outside, collecting one final sample. The storm hits faster than anyone predicted. Visibility drops to 0. Through the radio, Alex hears the worst words of their life. We have to launch. We can't wait. I'm sorry. And then, the ship is gone. For the first time in human history, one person is completely alone on another planet. No ship. No crew. Just Alex, the habitat, and a storm that could last for weeks. Once the storm calms enough to think clearly, Alex checks the numbers. Food, 60 days left, if rationed carefully. Oxygen, the habitat system can recycle air, as long as the power holds. Water, recyclable too. The real question is, will help arrive before supplies run out? Alex sends a message back to Earth. I'm alive. I'm safe for now. Please send help. Then comes the hardest part of all, waiting. Because even at the speed of light, a message takes over 20 minutes to reach Earth. And a rescue mission could take months to arrive. Days turn into weeks. Alex learns to survive on very little. Every meal is measured. Every hour of power is tracked. Boredom becomes an enemy almost as dangerous as hunger. But Alex doesn't just wait. Using leftover soil samples and emergency supplies, Alex builds a small greenhouse, testing whether anything can grow in Martian soil. It's a long shot, but it might buy extra time. 35 days in, the first tiny green sprout appears. It's small. It's fragile. But it's proof that life can grow, even here, even now. Just as things start to feel manageable, Mission Control sends another warning. A second dust storm is coming, smaller than the first, but still dangerous. Alex braces for another fight, alone. During the second storm, the worst happens. A power line gets damaged. The habitat systems start failing. Oxygen recycling slows down. Alex has only hours to fix it, working in the dark, using nothing but a flashlight and pure determination. After hours of work, Alex manages to reroute the power. The system comes back online just in time. It's the closest call yet. But Alex is still alive. On Sol 60, something changes. A faint signal comes through the radio. Earth has launched a rescue mission. A new spacecraft, built and launched in record time, is on its way to Mars. For the next 15 days, Alex counts every hour. Supplies are almost gone. The greenhouse barely produces enough to help. But hope, for the first time in weeks, feels real. On Sol 76, it happens. A bright light appears in the sky. The rescue ship descends, engines roaring, landing just a few hundred meters from the habitat. The hatch opens. And after 76 days completely alone on another planet, Commander Alex Reyes finally sees another human face again. Alex's story, though fictional, reflects a real truth. Space exploration is dangerous, unpredictable, and demands incredible courage. As humanity gets closer to actually sending people to Mars, stories like this help us imagine what that courage might really look like. If you enjoyed this story, subscribe for more space stories and what-if science videos. And let me know in the comments, what should happen in the next space survival story?